they talking about?
About to put in some work.
Deal with it, you feel me? We out here. My name's Michael. You can call me Mike. R.T.P. Restoring the Peace. Got so far, it was tree branches all right here. I got them so far. My mans was helping me. He quit on me, you know. Never quit the job until the job is finished. It ain't finished until you leave the earth. I'm with the union, R.T.P. Restoring the Peace. Actually, it's an MBK thing, you know. My brother's keeper. We need to restore the peace within our communities. And it's my brother Jared that's recording. Credit out to him. Thank him for putting this ladder up here against this tree. Now I feel more comfortable. I could be up here. But let's get this job done. So call us if y'all need some work did, you know, call us. We available. Protect and serve our people all the time. Lay down this way. So I know that I'm doing what I'm doing. When I'm doing what I'm doing, when I need to be doing it. Be careful when you up here. Make sure you have somebody around that is going to protect you when you're doing this job. It looks easy, but a damn show ain't. It's soft.